Good morning, this is Reno. This is a film of no point at all in early in the morning, just to point out on how to melt a film even with no particular topic at all. So see this film shoot early in the morning. Topic is tree happiness while walking in the morning. See you. So that's all for today. That's the tree happiness while walking in the morning, and I'm shooting this outside my house there, and this is the outside while I'm doing the walking with Rain, Jaren, and the tarak and Pandisan. And that's the forest there at the back where I plant coffee. So see you probably couple of days now, and just to illustrate how to make a video by just using cell phone and nothing at all, just cell phone. So bye bye.